is here.
Great. Excellent. Now his mate. White-crowned is eating dried mealworms. Okay, Speedy's back for another. Here we go, Speedy's back. Okay, we're here on Friday with cool Friday morning. We still have clouds, but I'm not sure we're going to have rain. With Fluffy, and it's flea treatment day. Come on, hold still and you'll get treats. There you go. Dumped out her water dish because it was filled with leaves and other debris, and rinsed it out and filled it up. And dumped out what was in her dry food dish because it was all wet. It's been refilled. And we have a peacock on the golden tree at Whispering Hills Ranch. Most likely the same one that likes to perch there. He's springing. He's over there. Okay, after two back-to-back storms, the Arroyo de las Conchas stream is really flowing at this time. Water filling into the lower pond area. Okay, we're going to head on our way to the Alvisa Adobe Park. And we have multiple sparrows here at the picnic table at Alvisa Adobe Park, both on the table and under the table, and a couple of red-winged blackbirds and one mourning dove. We weren't out yesterday, so when we haven't been out, really get a big showing because they're hungry. cottontail rabbit in the back area of Valdez Park. One of the cottontail rabbits is overeating the birdseed that I put down. I'm sure the birds aren't happy about that. Tossed out some cracked corn for the rabbit and seems to be enjoying it. Second bunny's gonna come back over. Okay, if you're eating that, I'm gonna come eat too. Not as brave. Okay, in a different tree we have a peacock. We don't have a name for this tree. It's just a tree that's near the hay bale. So he's there preening. Eggs. Fluffy's treats are going down. It's a cloudy day and cool, but not extremely cold, and no rain. I think the storm has passed, so we're just going to have cloudiness, overcast skies. Okay, fluffers, see you tomorrow. You take the boy. Up to the fence post to eat it. Wonder if he'll come back for seconds. Okay, female scrub jay is down, taking a worm. Taking all three. Okay. Yes, he will.